Good morning, my dear children. This is Aparna ma'am. Welcome you all for this new wonderful session. This is for the newcomers. Myself, Aparna, going to take biology to you all. I think you can get from your old comers that how we all learnt our EVS last year. The same way we can rock this year also. Before going into the class, I like to share a few things with you all children regarding the subject, that is biology. Biology means study of botany and zoology, children. So botany means study of plants, zoology means study of animals. And last year we studied as environmental science. This year we are going to study as physics, chemistry and biology. This is Aparna ma'am going to take biology to you all. Next is about regarding your health, children. This is a summer, as a summer is very hectic, so you drink lot of water, children. Keep always fluid items, avoid taking outside food, spicy food. Always prefer only your mom's best food, children. So always prefer your mom's best food, children. I advise you all for it, children. So getting into the class, children. So I think all had your breakfast in the morning, children. Hopefully everybody will have the breakfast in the morning, and I'm going to show some of the pics in the images, children. Can you see what it is? So ma'am is so you will have an idea that ma'am is going to have some pics on it, children. What about the pics is about? You have lot of fruits and vegetables, so you will have an idea that ma'am is going to take a class on it, children. So about the food. So last class and all you might have studied about nutrition, nutrients. What are the nutrients? So let's have a short recap on it, section, children. Why we want to take food, children? So as you all you are always prefer to have only the same type of food every day. No, you will have different type of food. Yes or no? What are the food you prefer it? In Diwali and all you will have lot of sweets and snacks. Yes or no? During the Fridays and also your mama will prepare lot of sweets unto you. Okay, so everywhere. So as India is a very diverse country, we have many type of a culture across the different states, and we eat different food at different types, children, and we prepare special dishes and sweets during festival. Yes or no, children? And we have lot of variety in the food we will have, and people living in different region eat different kinds of food also. Yes or no? We will have different kind of a food. Okay, and then last, nutrients. Okay, why we want to take our food? Mainly, as you all well known, nutrition. Okay, the food gives us energy. What is actually the food contains about? Just brush up our old things, that food contains different type of a nutrient. What are the nutrients are there, children? What are the nutrients? So the nutrients would be carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. So all this 5 different type of, not only that, we will have water and roughage. I hear it from you all, children. I didn't leave. The major 5 type of a nutrient I am talking about. So carbohydrates and fats. So all this 5 we are classified into 3 different categories, children. Carbohydrates and fats are considered to be the energy giving nutrients. Proteins will be the body building nutrients, and vitamins and minerals will help you fight against diseases. So these are the very important thing that we want it for. Okay, as you are well known, if you are that's why we are asking you to take lot of fruits and vegetables. Why? We want to fight against the disease. As you are well known that one virus is making our life so hectic and make us not to be connected. So if you eat lot of fruits and vegetable, definitely our body will fight against all these diseases, children. So what is first? Nutrition. What is a nutrition, children? The process by which our body takes in food and uses it for growth and development is called nutrition. So this is about nutrition, children. The process by which our food takes in food and uses it for growth and development is called nutrition. Food has some chemical substance. So it contains inside some chemical substances called nutrients. It contains nutrients. These components of food are needed by our body for maintaining good health. Why we want to all these things, children? We want our body to be in good health, children. So why food is essential? So now we have discussed what is nutrition. So what is nutrition, children? The process by which our body takes in food and uses it for growth and development is called the nutrition. Food has some chemical substances called nutrients. So the components of food are needed by our body for maintaining good health. So what is the nutrition? What is the nutrients? Why we want all these things? So this is our all thing. And why the food is essential? Obviously we know food is essential for providing nutrients for the body. So food only contains a special chemical substances called the nutrients. So next, it provides the energy to carry out all our life activities. Yes or no, children? And it helps in repairing the replacement of worn out cells and helps in repairing replacement of our worn out cells also. And it also protects the body from various diseases. So first and a few things we discussed right now. What are the things we discussed right now? So what is a food? We are taking lot of food because as India is a diverse country, we have a lot of cultures and tastes. So we are taking different type of food in different type of our cultures. So why we want to take food? What are the essential of the food? Food provides us energy. It will helps us to fight against the diseases, and it contains a major nutrients. It contains a major chemical substances called nutrients present in the body. This is about the food and nutrition. And then some of the food item I like to tell you, children. You are also well known about it. Before going on to the next one, we'll have a short thing about it. You know about dal bati churma. It is a popular vegetation dish in Rajasthani, children. Some of you might have seen, even now also we find lot of restaurants. Yes or no, children? They will be giving food, South Indian, North Indian, Chinese, tandoori, continental, Mexican. If it's a star hotel, it will be given Mexican. So this bati churma is a popular vegetarian dish in Rajasthan. So this and all comes under a North Indian dish. So this and all comes under the North Indian dish, children. And my favorite is kachori, children. Really, I love to eat kachori a lot because I love to eat. Because even though all type of roti and sabjis, even you might have heard it, ma'am always used to say roti and sabji. Sabji means nothing but the vegetables only, children. So I like to have the roti and sabji as we are well preparing. But kachori is one of the very good. My favorite dish too. It will be lovely, children. If you have any time, you can go somewhere else, a restaurant, and you can have it this, children. Okay, coming back. Now we have just given introduction about food and nutrition, children. Next, what it is all about is sources of food. What will be the sources of food, children? As we are already know, as we are already eating everything obviously it is coming from plants and animals. Morning, what type of a breakfast you might have eat? Okay, you might have taken idli is made up of rice. Rice, where it comes from? So the source means the place where it originates, where it comes from. It's called a source. The same way, children, our sources of food is actually from, and before telling that, I like to tell you one important thing. Ingredients. What do you mean by ingredients, children? Ingredients is nothing but the item. Suppose your mama is preparing some recipe or something, right, children? So your mama might have added for what about for sambar? Let us take an example for sambar. What your mama will be preparing? Sambar, what all you need, children? Sambar, as you all well known, sambar, you need first tamarind. Tamarind is soaked in hot water. So you will, mama will soak it and she will crush it and she will add as only water to it. Okay. Along with this water, you will add some your favorite vegetables. Yes or no? Drumstick, pumpkin. So for everything you will be adding. Then you will add mirch powder or sambar powder or you will be adding salt for taste, everything. At last it will be it after it's getting heat up, what will happen, you will add dal. The dal also side by side you will put it in another vessel. So these are the what are the items I have added? Dal, vegetables, powders and all these things. So these are called ingredients. What is the spelling for ingredients? INGREDIENTS. It's called ingredients. It's called ingredients. This is a new term. I think maximum some other will be knowing all this term. It's called ingredients, children. Come back for the sources of food. It's the sources of food. What will be happening? We will be getting from plants and animals. As we are already taking plants and animals, children, no, okay, a food from plants and animals. So as you are already know, plants, what is the plants actually will be called? Green plants. You might have studied in your lower classes. Yes, I think some of my children are well known and they will say producers. It is called the producers. It will be called as a producers. So green plants can prepare their own food, so they are called producers. Green plant prepare their own food, so they are called producers. They store the extra food in the form different parts such as fruits, leaves, stems, roots, flowers and seeds in the form of starch. So all these things you have studied, right, children? All these things you can study. So green plants called producers. Why? Because they prepare their food on their own. So green plants can prepare their own food, so they are called producers. Why they are producers means they will take their own food. All this process, you know about the photosynthesis process. We don't want to discuss much about it. You know what producers? Okay, they can prepare their own food. If they are if they are preparing their own food, what will be there? Okay, in your home also you just think, children, mama prepared some food in the morning. It is somewhat left out. What she will do? She will keep it. Either if it is not spoiled, she will use it for the second. If not, she will throw. But here we are not throwing out, children. Don't think like that. I am just saying out leftover food is called. Okay, what will happen if the plants have stored the extra food in the form of starch? It's called glucose. Starch is nothing but it's a glucose, and it will store in the form of leaves, flowers and fruits. That's what we're going to see now. So this is about the producers. What about the consumers, children? Who is called the consumers? Consuming. From the word itself you can dig the meaning of it, children. Consumers. What do you mean by the consumers? Okay, consumers are nothing but they cannot prepare their own food. They directly or indirectly depend on the green plants for their food requirements are called the consumers. So animals cannot prepare their own food, that's why they are called the consumers. Because why it so means they are directly or indirectly depend on green plants for their food requirements are called the consumers. So it's about fruits, vegetables, pulses, rice and wheat are some of the food products that we obtain from plants. What are the things we obtain from the plants, children? Fruits, vegetables, pulses, rice and wheat are some of the food products that we obtain from the plants. Below are the examples of various plants that are used as food. So you might have seen, as you all well known about the vegetables, what your mama is using in your home. Potato you are taking, obviously you are taking you are taking tomato. Tomato is obviously it's a fruit. So from the fruit you are taking it. Leaf, what all will be there? Spinach will be there. Flower, cauliflower, cabbage, all these are comes under. So each vegetable is differ from each part of a plant. This and all we have already seen it. Now we have a short discussion on what are the root vegetable, stem vegetable, leaves, and flowers and fruits and seeds. We just going to have only this, children. Okay, roots. It's about carrot, radish, beetroot and turnip. Okay, so roots are nothing but carrot, radish. So this is about vegetable, children. We also from plants we are getting lot of things, even tea and all these things are also we are getting it done. So roots are nothing but carrot, radish, beetroot and turnip are the edible roots of the plant. This food is stored in the roots of these plants that we eat. So what is the root, children? What are the root vegetable, children? Carrot, radish, beetroot and turnip. So root vegetable we are discussing about carrot, radish, beetroot and turnip. So these are all the examples of root vegetable. What are the examples of root vegetable, children? carrot, radish, beetroot and turnip. Next about stem vegetable, as you all well known, potato, ginger, yam, or yam is nothing but one type of thing. Okay children, potato, yam and ginger are modified stem that grow underground. We eat stems of certain plants such as sugar cane and lotus. All love sugar cane, yes or no children? And lotus stem also mama will be using for the cooking children. And turmeric nothing but your haldi, what is called turmeric powder, yellow color it will be there na children, that is called your turmeric, is also an underground stem. When cut it is bright orange in color. What is the color of the turmeric children? Actually you might have seen while you are doing the for pongal or something, mama will get the green leaves along with the orange one, that is the turmeric children. When it is getting dried, its color changes to yellow, and we are dried and powder, and we are using it mixture, and it is a great antiseptic. Nowadays you might have heard this term antiseptic. Why children? Because everywhere they are saying they are spraying the antiseptic. See, turmeric is a great antiseptic children, really children, so that's why we are adding lot of turmeric to our food item to make the item not only colorful but also for the antiseptic. So now you all are able to remember what are the stem vegetables children. Stems are nothing but potato, yam and ginger are modified stem that grow underground. So we eat stems of certain plants, that is turmeric. Turmeric, while we are cutting, it is bright orange in color. When it is dried and powder, it is changing into yellow color children. So now we discussed about root and stems children. Okay, next we going to see about leaves. Now next, what is a leaf means? Spinach, cabbage, coriander and fenugreek are the examples of some common edible leaves. So what are the examples of leaves children? So leaves are nothing but spinach, cabbage, coriander and fenugreek. Leaves are nothing but examples are spinach, cabbage, coriander and fenugreek are examples of some common edible leaves children. Many green vegetables are eaten raw. Some of them, even somebody will everything they will be eating. Even cucumber can be eaten raw, carrot can be eaten raw. So some of the green leafy vegetables also can be taken as a raw children. Next we are talking about flowers. We eat cauliflowers. Yes or no? I love cauliflower. How many of you like cauliflower? Everybody, almost everybody will like cauliflower. So cauliflowers. So what are the vegetables we are getting from the flowers children? We eat cauliflower and broccoli. Which are the flowers of the plant? Saffron. Saffron is very costly children. It's a dried kesar. It will be called a kesar. Your mama might be if anybody is expecting, that is baby in your home, they will add kesar to the milk also. Kesar is nothing but saffron only. Even we will add, mama will be adding turmeric also to your milk. It will be somewhat yellow. Why we are taking that? To avoid the sore throat and all this. Even tulsi, and we will add pepper also. All these things to our milk for take care of your health children. Is obtained from the flowers of the plant. Which is obtained from the flowers of the plant? That is saffron or kesar is obtained from the flowers of the plant called Crocus sativus. What it is called? Crocus. C-R-O-C-U-S. Crocus sativus. S-A-T-I-V-U-S. Crocus. What is the spelling for crocus? Is C-R-O-C-U-S. Sativus is S-A-T-I-V-U-S. So which is obtained from Crocus sativus children? Saffron or kesar is obtained from Crocus sativus children. And clove. Clove you might have seen while mama is added for the biryani or something, and you will get that one stem will be there, inside will be there. I'll show you the clove picture also children, don't worry for it. Cloves is also a dried one, and it is used as a spice in dishes. Sorry children, I am just used with the diseases, so the word also comes out as diseases. Sorry for it. It's called dishes children. It is nothing but dishes. Okay, now so far we discussed about roots, stems, leaves and flowers, children. Now we are getting on to the fruits, children. Now we are getting on to the fruits. We eat fruits such as mangoes, as you already know. We eat fruits such as mangoes, papaya and oranges. So fruits are how the fruits would be, children. It will be sweet, juicy and fleshy, na children. So what will be the example? Okay, I know everybody is saying the answer. Nothing but tomato, cucumber, green chili and capsicum are some fruits which we eat as vegetables. Actually we have a confusion whether tomato we will be adding our food. So we were considering tomato as our vegetable, but tomato is actually a fruit. And even chilies you will matter how ma'am chilies are all will be very hot and spicy, but chilies are comes under the fruits. That is the thing, children. That is the thing. Really nice. It will be considered as eating as a vegetable, children. Some seeds. So seeds are all we all know. Mustard, lot of pulses, and all your seeds are comes under the pulses and spices. All the seeds are coming in that style. Okay, seeds of many plants are eaten as food. Pulses that we eat are also the seeds of plants. Spices such as cumin seeds. You know what is the cumin seeds? Fennel and coriander are also the seeds, children. So for cooking we need different types of oils are used at home. Yes or no? We are using mustard oil, sunflower oil, everything is used at home. Many of these oils are obtained from seeds only, children. You are using groundnut oil. Groundnut is also a seed, children. Mustard is also seed. Sunflower oil we are getting from the sunflower. Sesame oil, that is we will say that is called sesame seeds. That is till. It is called till, children. So far we studied cinnamon. Actually cinnamon is used as a spice, is obtained from the bark of a tree, children. So you see, children, not only the fruits and flowers, bark, you know what is the bark of a tree, in that also cinnamon is obtained, children. Cuscus, it's a poppy plant. You asked your parents, they will say cuscus. What do you mean by kasakasa? They will say in the Tamil. So it is called cuscus. Cuscus is also used in breads, biscuits and sweetmeats. So we have now discussed about what are the sources and food from plants, children. I have drawn you the mind map. What are the thing we can get from it, children. Before the ending of the session, we will have a short play activity, children. You might have seen one picture in your thing, children. You might have seen one picture now. What it is actually, I have given one rabbit plus one ice cube I have given. You might have take that and you have to guess what the food item we are guessing for. What the food item actually we are guessing for, you have to tell. So rabbit plus eyes, and I have given one picture plus go, and like this we have given. So we can try that and you can say the answer. I know my children are very 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 smart. I know what would be the answer. Okay, you can say the answer also. First letter of the first picture is I have given as rabbit, right, children? Rabbit first letter is R. Okay, R plus that ice, what we will give? Very good, children. It is rice. Very good. My children are very sharp enough and they are good enough too. Okay, children. Next one picture of a male. Okay, and what it is called? Man. Plus one symbol is there, Jibo. So what would be that? Mango. So it would be the mango, children. Okay, children. This is a fun activity. We played it. So we'll have a short recap session now. What we have discussed right now. So first we started about what is a food, what is a nutrition in it, what are the sources of food. In that we have what are the sources of different sources of food are there. Food is we are using why we want to take the food, what are the benefits of the food, we know what are the benefits of the food we have discussed, and what are the thing why we want to take the food, what does the food actually contain. One main word we have discussed is about ingredients. What do you mean by the ingredients we have discussed, and what are the different types of food we have taken for different occasion also we have sent. And one important topic as we discussed today is sources of food. One sources of food we said, first sources sources is from both plants and animals, children, but today we discussed about plants only. In that itself itself, what are the plants, what else we are taking, not only fruits and vegetable, even teas and all these things we are taking about. By the mind map you might have studied this. So what are the food from plants, what are the examples of food? So what are the things we are taking? Roots, stems, leaves, and flowers and fruits and seeds. So all these things we have discussed it, children. Okay, so food from plants, what are the food from roots, what are the examples we have studied? Roots, what are the examples? Anyone is okay, carrot and radish and beetroot are examples of roots. Stem means potato, yam and ginger. And turmeric, what is the color of the turmeric? While it is very thin, orange, and when it how it turns yellow, while it is dried in the sun it turns yellow, and it's powdered, it is fine powder that we are using it of. Leaves can be taken raw also, that is spinach, cabbage, coriander and fenugreek are all that. Then flowers, what is about the flowers? We eat cauliflower and all these things, right, children? We eat cauliflower and broccoli, which are the flowers of the plant. Saffron is a very important thing. Saffron will be added in the clouds also. Where the saffron is getting about, it is from Crocus sativus. It is from Crocus sativus. Cloud is a flower bed. And then one important thing, cinnamon. What is the cinnamon? Cinnamon is a spice obtained from the bark of a tree, and cuscus also we dealing about, children. Okay, children. That's all for today's class. If you have any doubt, you just go through everything and you can use the mind map and everything, and you can draw the mind map and you can show to me, children. I can even WhatsApp me. I am there to help you at all times, children. Being the first class, I'm just cutting off my slow in my session. So in other classes we will discuss everything. If you have any doubt, you can contact me at any time. This is Aparna signing off from today's session, children. Bye, children. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy, children. Thank you, children. Thank you all.